the ink tube should be thrown in. Even you want to lock this part with this tank, that is possible. In our series tools, we have the plate. They have a plate. Okay, with the series, the packing, we have a tool can be open as one. Even this, the ink tube through the holes. We can lock this part with the ink tank together. That means you also can be set up the ink tank only behind the right side. Now this part will help you to lock them together. That it may be more easy to moving. Okay, these parts have a spool. Okay, then we'll try to lock them. Yeah, it works. And the list. Now this lock with the parts. Okay, so here that we can see this two already marked with W. W means it's connected with white colors. Okay. Okay, before we're ready to connect the power, we should be to move the ink tube from the waste ink tank here. Okay, move them, and then here. Okay, give it here, and this ink tube moved from the tank. Okay, this is all the brand new printer. If you have already worked printer, be carefully, the ink will get leaking here in this step. Okay. Okay, this is already moving out. Now we are trying to get the cover back of the machine. Okay, here will be get liter. Okay, now this should be set them back. And get the cover. 这个上面是下面。现在这个上面是吧 ？Set them back. Okay. And now we are trying to lock this part first. Okay, this cover should be locked. Now we are trying to connect the ink tube. We can see here the original ink tube, the white color, and our ink tank transparent colors. Okay, remember this white this white with in for the white inks is mean here. The white inks now we should use the cutter here to cut this side. Broken parts. And also this one, okay. Cut it. And or this one. Okay. Also this one. Okay. So we are ready to connect the ink tube with the orange ink tube. With the ink tank, this all transparent. We can see the first one, this one, the first one, the first piece. This working with this one working with connect the waste ink bottles to cut. And this one we also do cut here. Then we are trying to connect. That's it. Okay, then we are trying to set them. Okay. One more check, make sure there is no clunk with the ink tube. You're trying to set up here. This place be more well. Okay. And then now this one get a label the white. We are trying to the first piece. Okay. One more check and set them in place. Okay, this one finish. And the last one we're trying to connect at this side. And then now try cut. Okay. Okay, and then now finish mostly all of the ink tube here.
你是点不到的，
嗯，
点不到，点不到吗？
Okay. Now finish all the connection of the ink tube here. Remember the first piece and the last piece for white colors, and this is white for sending the ink. Be here running here. Then the first. Now we finish the ink tube connection. Try to check. Yes, it's easy to move without any clank. Okay. Now we are trying to connection this in dimples here. We may need two type of difference. Two type of difference. One. Okay. The first piece like this type here, and for the end here. Okay. Moving this part. Use some cut. Cut here. And just easy to connect this part, this side.这里不是那个，And this one should use this tab. Okay. Get the cut one. Okay. And also connect this first. Then we just be cut here. Okay. Try to connect. And okay, even we try to connect this part, we maybe need to be a little this part. This in the tube design. We open, we turn off or open this one to be use this connector this side in the end of this channel in the place. Make this one in straight and this one. Okay, like this size cut here. and then do connect. Once we connect this ink tube and set up to both sides the ink straight, it means the ink white ink secondary system running here into first damper and running here through the two sides, the second damper, then running back. Okay, everything passed. We are sitting back. Okay, it's soft. Okay. Okay, after we finish connect this ink tube, that we need to move this two pieces of spool again. That we need to be cover back this part here. Okay. Okay, so we need to be take a little bit back. Now we are trying to install this first, then put the